It always fails when I try to do like a fast start. Can never fucking think of something to say right off the bat. Oh, forgot to. Right, okay. Why do I look so shiny? Don't feel so shiny. Either ways. Weird. Okay, where was I? I do kind of remember because it was just yesterday. Bubbling on the top 100. Just like. Yeah. What's that? Left to type. Blah 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 blah. Ah yes, comparison. So I was thinking of making it part of the object itself, rather than the virtual machine. Oh, okay. I do like this though. There's a type method. Okay, let me zoom in a lot. Maybe a bit more. Okay, that should be good. Whoa, it's maybe too much. Right, okay, looks good. That's actually quite a good idea too. And this should be less than. Save test source compiler. Right, okay. Let's get the code, no object. Oh, that is a type. What the fuck am I? What am I talking about? Okay, that makes it. Totally missed that. Guess this can just be a lot easier. Equal, not equal. could assert. Oh no, but I should return an error. Ooh. Runtime error. Mismatched type. I wonder what error. Yeah. I forgot about that. Actually, now that I think of it, doesn't it need to be true for all operations that the left and the right type are the same? Like, what would happen? Const x equals 22, const y equals 22, const equals x plus y. And debug. Right. Hang on, what am I doing? So if I go zig test source VM incompatible types. Yeah, that's a better error. Incompatible types. Let's move this. But I think I still got to because when I do comparisons, can be any. Hang on, it's a bit warm. Can be any type. Might extend this to okay. I have an idea. Gonna do is get rid of that, unwrap it maybe here, that there, and then set check on the type. Is that it? What is it return? Const u8. equal to object2 dot type for now. Both the same, and then should I check if they're integers? One dot type is equal to object dot int. Yep, same for this one. Guess I don't need the first one then. Right, and then here, gonna get rid of this and that. Yeah, up equal dot up not equal. Yes. Take this. Yeah, I can get rid of this. Then object2 dot type. Actually, this should be an error. If it's not equal, can this method error? Yeah, runtime error. Time error dot incompatible types. Okay, and then still got to compare them. I'd like to do it without having to unwrap. Not unwrap, yeah, without having to do dot integer, blah blah blah. There is an idea. Yeah, I can do Yeah, actually, right here. Takes an object. Let me just copy that. And this can be public. I think so should this one. Whoa, this is wrong. Boolean. Self will be Boolean. Can get rid of, whoa, wrong bracket. No, not that. Underscore equals self. I think it needs, all of them should have it. Integer. Can you compare two nulls? Yeah, sure. Why not? And that needs to be public. Does it need to be public? Can, yeah, I think just, that's a good question, really. I don't think these need to be public. Because anybody calling the method does not need to know. Yeah, okay. Okay, equals. Inst set is equal to standard debug dot set. Right. Set compared to dot type is equal to self dot type. Okay. And self dot value is equal to compared to dot integer dot value. Guess I could have one for not equal. Sure, I think this can be done better, but for now, this will do. I mean, it's kind of cheeky, but what if I did not equal? Then it just returned not of. Yeah, I mean, seems fine. Saves me some typing. Yeah, why not? I guess for now. Don't need that. Return self dot value is equal to add to dot boolean dot value. Yep. Is there a way to delete after this line? Okay, you can return. I mean, the reason for the assertion here is that the check needs to happen before you call this method, because at this point it's too late. So the program's just gonna crash. That's my thinking anyways. Self dot value. Oh, it doesn't have value. I guess if the type is same. Yeah, I guess two nulls will always be the same. And not equal will always be false. Yep. Okay. Right, so that means I can just call results object one or do I really need another switch in here? Yeah, I think so. Would be nice if I could just capture the value here. Then that way. Can you do it? In where's the switch? Okay, I guess. Never mind. Oops. Okay, and then switch of code dot up equal dot up not equal, and then else it's unreachable. Const result is equal to 1 dot equal object 2, and try self dot push dot boolean. Hang on, can just copy this line. And do the same here. Not equal. So now, where's my test? Is that it? Right here. Can now expand this. True. Oh, it's false. False. Mm-hmm. This here. And maybe one with null. Don't know if I can actually use null. Token, that's it. Yeah. Never mind then. Okay, let's see what that does. Sigtest source VM. Right, there's a typo. Oh yeah, can't zip mem dot equal u8 I suppose I need to. I just realized I don't have the string type. Oh, there's more. What? Line 48. 48. Yeah, but I removed it. That's weird. Oh, it's in the VM. Ah, right. Okay. Dot equal u8 equals same for 1, check 2. Really? Or is it capital E? Oh, solely equal. There's no qual. Hang on, so that means this was fine. How was that fine? There shouldn't be more problems. Yep. .95. Not mem dot equal u8 yep, in object 48. Yep, got mem dot equal u8 should be self. This should be compared to Actually, can I just do it here? Yeah, I think so. Set. Yeah. Oops. So I guess I can remove that and then just, yeah, save me some typing. Get rid of that. And that. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah, the arguments have got to be the same. Otherwise, the tagged union doesn't work. Equal, equal. Yep. And then go to do the same here. Oops. Oh, fuck. Wrong method. Got a bit too excited. Okay, that should be better. Let's go. Up equal, not equal, right. Oh, that was good. Okay. Might have to go back and add strings. It's a problem for later. Oh yeah, I guess there could be. No. It's fine. I don't need. Excuse me. Fuck's sakes. Yeah. Nice. So I think I've done. The fuck is this? Okay, it's just a helper. Prefix. I guess, yeah, I could even do prefix without the book at this point. I think I would start at the compiler. So we have infix. Pointed to a prefix expression. And something else. Don't need the opcode. Inject fine. Because I need to excuse me. Totally phased out. There. I forgot what I was doing. Right, prefix. What are the prefix operators? There's the exclamation. What's the other one? Oh, and minus. So we'll do op. Do I have op plus? No. Oh, it's op add. Can I just use op sub? Isn't it the same thing? Yeah, guess it should be. Then op not or bang. Guess that's the only one in that case. Less than can be lt bang up not sounds good. Up not. Funny. Up not. Oh, it takes an operand though. What does it? Would you still just pop? Not sure. Because at this point, I don't think it'll be in the stack. Or it might be. I think the same goes for op sub. Okay. I'm not exactly sure what to do there. Let's have a look at op constant. Okay. Gonna check the book. Maybe I got a bit too excited. Whoa. Why op minus? Did he not have... Oh fuck. Actually, it does make sense. Because if I was in the VM and I switch opcodes, currently op sub is an infix. Of my minus. Then, damn, this list is quite long now. Not minus. Okay. All right, let me just read through it once. Two prefix operators, minus and not. The first one negates integers and the second one booleans. Adding support for them to a compiler is nearly the same as the previous operators. Define necessary opcodes, emit them into the compiler, handle them in the VM. In the stack instead of two. Okay, what am I doing? I can do this. Compiler. So I think it's quite similar. Infix. Let me have a look at prefix. No. check. No. Yeah, AST. Prefix has token, which is the operator. And then there's also the operator. I think token is better. Yep. Because I can use the type. And then there's a write, which is an expression. Okay. Try self dot compile. It takes a node and expression p dot write. I've forgotten a little bit what compile does. Oh yeah, because we just recursively call it. Some weird noises. Okay, switch p dot token type. So it can only be token. Yep. Dot minus fucking gecko. Then the bang. Then everything else unreachable. Reachable. Yep. I think minus. Okay. Oops. Up minus. And then this should be bang. Oh, sorry. Called it up not. So that should be prefix. I should be able to test it. Down. Oh. We got to extend the test here. LT to minus. Then this one LT to not. Code. Okay. And in the compiler. Interesting. How did I test? Sub up. Guess I could just be here. So it should be one constant, one. Yeah. Check the other tests. Okay, so this is the last one. I just realized I don't have one for Boolean comparison. Thought I added it. No. Need one for not true. And no, false maybe. And then two comparison. Excuse me. True. False. True. Excuse me. Oof. Guess we need two of constant. Then we need op equal. Right. False, not equals false. Hang on. This needs to be the second index. Up, and then not equal. Okay, and then this can be not false. Spec constant false. Do we need two pop statement? Just one? Weird. Oh, because it's an add. Yeah. Right. Damn. Forgotten quite a bit just in one day. No false, and there should be up not, and not of constant, not true. Compiler. Okay. Hey Tara, sorry, I missed your message. I didn't somehow. That's weird. Looks like my chat's not working. Yeah, why is the chat not working? That's weird. Hello, anyways. I don't know. I guess token expired. Maybe. Okay, so now in the VM, a constant sub multiply. Okay, probably after. All the way down, equal, not equal. Yeah. Op, not. Dot op minus. Okay, I see why. Never mind. So I gotta pop the previous element and return. Just do, hang on. Let me just get, I need this and that. Should be greater than or equal to 1. Object 1. Can I do not on numbers? No. If not mem dot equal u8 object 1 dot type object dot boolean or bool. Is it bool? Yeah. Return runtime error dot mismatched type. What was the error? Incompatible. Incompatible operator. Yeah, I like that. Incompatible operator. Should have kept it something small. Okay, so const right is equal to check1 dot boolean the value, then try self dot push not right. Okay. It's gonna bother me now that that's not working. Okay, I'll check it after. Well, I can't check it now anyways. Okay, hang on. Let me send a test message. Yeah, it is weird. Is this because... Oh, okay. I know why. Because the fucking screen is frozen. Every fucking time. Okay, now I see your message. Sorry, Taras. It's buggy software. And I guess this one's more or less the same. My head is boom boom. I need home to go. I have no idea what you're talking about. Oh, you mean you're at work? I'm guessing you're at work and you'd like to go home. Have you had a tough day at work, Taras? What I think this minus, yeah, in okay. Tough life at work. Hey, some days are just like that. Guess I'm lucky to be able to work from home. Let's see you, Taras. Na, 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 na. Minus. Okay. I mean, is that bad? It sounds Okay. Okay, that now see, now that makes a lot more sense. I mean, it's understandable. I prefer home too. Not a very outside person. Well, not for a long time, anyways. Oh, yeah. I totally get that, Taras. Home is comfy. How long do you have to work in the other city? True, expected, false, then not false, expected, true. Yeah. Guess this should just work, if I'm not wrong. Yep. And then one for numbers. Tick test, source, VM. Let's go. First time. Crazy. Add support for prefix operations. Okay. So that's done. There's Boolean. Yeah. Prefix. Oh yeah, I could expand some of these. Net minus 1. That should be 56. Okay. I wasn't sure that would work. But okay. And then I wanted to try what if we put 2 notes? So that should be not a false is true. It should just be false. A double negative. Okay, brilliant. A bit surprised, I have to say, that works. But apparently it does. Okay. It's done. True, false. Default is false. No, I'd rather throw an error or return an error. We don't throw errors here. Secure minus. Okay. There. Next, nice one. I'm kind of getting the hang of it. I could see how this would work. Okay, but I think that's all I want to do today. This. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna call it a day there. Thank you for hanging out, Taras. Hopefully, you'll get to go home soon. And I shall see you tomorrow. It's another short stream, but it's fine. Alright. See ya. Bye.